Are you a busy parent who never has enough time to study for the IELTS exam because of your crazy busy schedule? If so, you are in the right place because I provide you with simple IELTS tips and tricks that will help you pass the IELTS test. I am a mom of 2 young children who keep me extremely busy throughout the day. But to be honest, I never let them stop me from pursuing my dreams. I managed to finish my bachelor's degree, master's degree, and teaching license, all while being a stay-at-home mother of 2 children. From sleepless nights to having sick children at home while preparing for an exam, I've been through it all. So I can totally relate to busy parents who are just trying to prepare for an exam. On this channel, our passion is to help create better opportunities for busier parents to be able to live a happier tomorrow. I help you by posting the most important tips and tricks on the IELTS exam so you are not wasting your time digging through lots of information just to find 1 or 2 strategies that will help you pass the IELTS exam. So that way you are able to spend more time with your precious children and your families. I make sure these tips and tricks are broken down as simple as possible so you are not wasting your time. That being said, guys, I upload videos every Wednesdays and Fridays to help you prepare for your IELTS exam. And I try to live stream once a week so you are able to ask me any questions you have on the IELTS exam. As a parent, I know our #1 goal is to provide the best life to our families. And I know your #1 goal is to pass the IELTS exam, but you may not have some time to study because of your busy schedule. And to be honest, this is why I started this channel, because I feel like I can totally relate to your struggles as a parent trying to study for an exam, especially because I know you just want to know the most important information you need to know that will help you pass the IELTS exam. So guys, if you feel like you can relate to everything I've been saying in this video, then please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you are notified when I put out videos on this channel.